Here is some basics review for beginner Linux. At first I clean everything. Email. At first we have to review how to create a file. Touch command used to create a file. Touch and then file name. Any file you can give the name. Okay, let's say country ls list. You see country is created when you type ls, country is created. Okay, ls country. Now open an editor. Nano is an editor, and country. Press enter and you can type here names of the name, any name of the country. Let's say Peru. Okay, Vietnam, Japan, Mexico. Okay, this way you can write many names. All right, let's say another country name, Algeria. Okay, another country name, let's say Denmark. How to save this? Here you see that write out, save, and here is O. So type Ctrl O, press enter, Ctrl X, it is saved. How to see the content? Type cat country. You can see the content of the files. Okay, this is for beginner. Clear the screen. This file, how to create a directory? Make directory. Then you have to write directories folder. Write a name. Any name you can write. Let's say we write, normally we write a, let's say folder. Now see, you see here it is, folder is created. How to understand it is a directory? Here you see D. And how to understand this file? It is blank. So first three, this is for user, and this is second part is for group, and third is for our others. So this is actually user and this is for the group. Alright, okay, we will learn this later. At first we understand file and directory. How to understand file and directory. And this is file and directory. How to enter a directory? cd space folder. Now you can see I am inside the folder. I was inside tutorial folder, now in the inside folder. Okay, if you type print working directory, it will show you where are you. You are in this directory. Okay, home, main, tutorial, and folder. If you want to exit from this folder, you have to type cd space 2 dot. Okay, now you see you are in the tutorial. How to understand this? Type this print working directory. That's all. How to and copy. Let's say country I want to copy to folder. Okay, this is the source and this is the destination where you want to send as a copy. Now cd folder, I am in the folder directory. You see country is now here. All right, how to remove this file? Rm remove, delete. Now this folder is empty again. ls, there is nothing. Okay, how to exit from this folder? cd 2 dot. Clear. We have file country country, right? Now I want to move this file country to folder. Move means it will completely move. There will not be copy here. See, here is only folder. This country is gone. Now if I want to enter in folder ls, you see country is there. It's to completely moved. Alright, this is how to move and how to copy. How to exit from the folder, this. Okay, create another file, touch country. How to delete a file, rm country. How to delete a folder, rm remove same and type rf recursive and force and folder. It is deleted. You see, everything is deleted. So this is how to create a file, folder, copy, remove, touch. This is some basic. You have to review and practice. All right.